All right, let's talk about how you can calculate the selling price based on a markup percentage within Excel. So here we just have some very basic data, and you'll notice some blank cells here. We'll notice that these are blank on the selling price, the wholesale cost, and these in the markup percentage. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to fix these blanks here and determine the selling price based off the wholesale cost and the markup percentage we're going to charge to arrive at our selling price. And to type that formula, we'll select the cell, type equals the wholesale cost divided by parenthesis 1 minus the markup percentage, which in this case would be 50%, end parenthesis. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter. And if we want to charge a 50% markup on this item, that would be nearly $30. Now, instead of retyping that formula every single time in these cells, we can click that cell, double click this square in the bottom right corner, or click and drag that to copy that formula all the way down. So there we can determine our selling price based off the wholesale cost and the markup percentage that we have listed here. Now we can reverse engineer this formula to also determine the wholesale cost if we only have the markup percentage and sales price. We can also do that to determine the markup percentage based off the wholesale cost and the selling price. So we'll go through and fill in these blanks as well. So what we can do here to determine the wholesale cost is type equals, we'll take the sales price, and this time we will multiply that by parenthesis 1 minus the markup percentage and parenthesis. And we can click and drag that formula down. Now to determine the markup percentage, what we can do is type equals 1 minus parenthesis the wholesale cost divided by the selling price and parenthesis. Then we'll hit enter and drag that formula down, and we can determine the markup percentage based on the wholesale cost and sales price. And there you have it. That's how you can calculate the selling price based on a markup percentage within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.